I have made many videos on Klarna, and this time we'll see how to use it to buy now and pay later, both online and in store. So let's get started. When you open it for the first time, it will ask you to agree to its terms. We need to sign up or in before we do anything. Tap the profile icon on the top left. Click sign in. If you have an account, put in your email or phone. If not, you'll need to create an account. Once you're logged in, Klarna will ask you to create a PIN. I'll do that now. Then is the biometrics. Let's enable that as well. After that is the notifications permission. All done. We'll go into the good stuff and use Klarna online first. This is the main interface. You will see how much you owe at the top. Some local stores are here and we can view all by clicking here. You will notice it says pay in store with some. This means that this place supports Klarna both online and in store. If you don't see this option, that means Klarna will only work online for this store. We can also search for stores. I'll look up Nike as I have to buy something anyway. The good thing about Klarna is that even if a store is not supported, we can Google that store and pay with Klarna. Now when you click the store in the app, it will go to their website. The website is actually opened inside the Klarna app. You will shop on this website as you would normally in a browser. I'll find items to buy. I like these trousers, so I will add them to the cart. Once you're done adding items to the cart, go to the cart page. Then click the checkout button. You will need to sign in to the store's website if required. The process is almost similar for each website, but the buttons might differ a little bit. This is not your Klarna login. This is the Nike login. Next is the delivery information. Fill in the required details and go to the payment screen. From here, there are two ways to pay with Klarna. First is the built-in way. You will see the Klarna payment option. Pick Klarna and click continue or the pay button. A new screen will open. We can pay for it now or pay in installments. I'll pick installments. It will show how my installments are going to be. Click continue. If you have not added a card to pay back to Klarna, you will need to add a card here. The next screen is the review screen. Now click the pay button to complete the order. However, I will not do that because we will see the other way to pay as well. The other way is when you don't see the Klarna option. We can still pay with it even if we don't see it. On the checkout page, first remember the total amount to pay, including any shipment costs. Then choose the debit or credit card. Then tap this Pay with Klarna button. On this screen, click here to generate a one-time card. It will ask for the total amount. You don't need to enter the exact amount as Klarna will charge you whatever you end up spending. Click continue. The plan screen will pop up showing the installments. Our payment method is available here in case you would like to change it. Finally, click the big button at the bottom. Klarna will generate a one-time card number on the bottom row. We need to copy these details and paste them into the fields on the website. Then click the place order or whatever the button is. Your order should go through. Once it does, Klarna will send you a message about the purchase and the card will go away. This card is no longer valid. So this is how we use Klarna online. If you go to your banking app, you will see the first payment charged. Now we will see how to use Klarna in store. For in store, we need to ensure that Klarna supports it. I'll look for a shop that is supported. Tap the in store option. Then click create one-time card. This will generate a card to use. We'll need to insert the total shopping amount. However, This is just suggested and doesn't have to be the exact amount. Next is the plan details and your paying back card. Click the big button. Here we go. A card has been generated which can be found in wallet for the next 24 hours. We need to add this to Google or Apple Wallet. Click this button to add. The wallet will open. Click add to wallet. Here ensure the name and address are up to date and click continue. Next are the terms and conditions. Scroll down and click accept. All done. The card has been added to the wallet app. When you swipe among your cards, you will see it here. Now once you have finished shopping, go to the counter to pay for your purchases. When ready to pay, open the wallet app and pick the Klarna card. Then tap your phone against the payment terminal. It might ask for the biometrics or the PIN, and then all done. It's been paid. You will get a notification for the payment from Klarna, and if you go to the app, you will see the payment processed. All done. This is how you pay with Klarna in store. Once you have an outstanding balance, you will see it here. Clicking the Payments tab will show you more details. We can make an early payment by tapping here. Click a purchase to see the plan details, and if you want to change the payback card, click here. Anyway, there is more to it, but I think we should stop the video here. Thanks for watching and take care.